Welcome to our latest video, where we'll be showcasing 5 must-have products for your Tesla Model 3 from AliExpress. These products are designed to enhance your driving experience and make your Tesla even more enjoyable to drive. First up, we have the Smart Key Ring. This handy accessory allows you to lock and unlock your car with just a tap, making it easier and more convenient to use your Tesla. No more fumbling for your keys in your pocket or purse, just tap the key ring and your car will automatically unlock. Next, we have a display for your rear passengers. This high-resolution screen allows your passengers to watch movies, play games, or even use the internet while on the go. This is perfect for long road trips or for keeping your kids entertained during your daily commute. Next, we have wheel caps that add a touch of style to your Tesla's wheels, while also protecting them from damage. These caps are easy to install and come in a variety of colors to match your car's paint job. They're a great way to personalize your Tesla and make it stand out on the road. Another great product is the Android head-up display. This device projects important information such as speed, navigation, and even incoming calls right onto your windshield, making it easy to stay informed while driving. This is a great way to keep your eyes on the road and avoid distractions. Finally, we have the air inlet filter. This high-performance filter keeps the air inside your Tesla clean and fresh, helping to improve overall air quality and reduce the risk of allergies. This is especially important for those with allergies or respiratory issues. These are just a few of the many great products available from AliExpress for your Tesla Model 3. With these products, you'll be able to enjoy a more convenient, stylish, and comfortable driving experience. We hope you found this video helpful, and be sure to check out the link in the description for more information on these products. Thanks for watching.